Hi, I'm Sean Jones, General Manager here at Mitchell Toyota in San Angelo, Texas. Thanks for taking a moment to review this brief video.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include premium sound system, leather seats, sun moonroof, cooled seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2014 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, backup camera, navigation system, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering, driver lumbar, adjustable steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.